Tasks 17 and 18, a history class, Part 1. I listen to my history teacher and complete the timeline, Part A. Our class today is about a famous Maghreban scholar who invented modern sociology, the study of the development and functioning of human society. This eminent scholar was born on May 27, 1332, in Tunis. His ancestors immigrated to Tunisia from Andalusia, which is also known as Al-Andalus, in the first half of the 13th century. His parents died during an epidemic of the plague which hit Tunis in 1348 to 1349, leaving Ibn Khaldun orphan at the age of 17. In 1354, he accompanied his teacher to Fez, where he became a secretary of the Sultan of Morocco. From 1365 to 1374, he traveled a lot, moving from Béjaïa to Biskra, Tlemcen, Fez, Granada, Seville, and then returned to North Africa after many political problems. Tasks 19 and 20, a history class, Part 2. I listen to my history teacher and complete the timeline, Part B. Our great Maghrebi scholar then withdrew from politics and found refuge in Khalat Beni Selam near Frenda, Algeria. He spent 4 years there from 1375 to 1378, writing his Muqaddimah and part of Kitab al-Abar, or the history of Muslim North Africa. A few years later, in 1383, he settled in Cairo, Egypt, where he became a teacher and a qadi, or a judge. The following year, his wife and 4 daughters died in a shipwreck on their way to join him in Cairo, but his 2 sons survived. 3 years later, he went to Mecca on the pilgrimage and returned to Cairo 18 months later, where he died on 17th March, 1406.